So the other day, the wife and I came out here and we put quite a bit of time into this car. We got the trunk done. We got it's all done. I'm happy about this. We got the holes cut. Yes, there was a little bit of a fire, but that's okay. It's just the subwoofer. Nobody cares. I got the seat belted to the trunk. We got the rear doors tied shut. We got the doors painted. Got one of the GoPros on. Got everything all cleaned up wiring wise. Got the battery box made and installed. Did pretty much everything that I wanted to do to this car. Now, the last thing to do is mount this bumper. So I've already welded on my 6 inches. I'm allowed to basically help hold it on for 6 inches with this tubing. And then I'm allowed to do plates on the outside to help hold it on as well. So I'm going to try to flip this thing over with the help of my buddy, and we're going to try to slide it in, put it on the jack stands, and get her all lined up so I can start welding, because he's not going to be here too much longer. So let's get this thing installed and slid in so I can start welding her up. Okay, we got to switch in for it. Do I want to put, let's see what it looks like upside down. I don't think so.
I'd rather point lower, then you're hitting top of middle of rim, you're breaking spindles, not strut. And you're putting the stress lower. Instead of the car going up, you're going in. Or potentially down.
Do you think upside down is better?
I think so. Okay, flip it.
Let's flip it and see how she looks the other way.
Bastard!
Okay,
Walk through it.
My time and cover! My time and cover!
Cough.
What do you think's better?
I'd go bottom, but
got the front bumper on, and I was going to mount it upside down, but I kind of made all my slide-ins to go this side up. I got about 2 tacks into it, and I ran out of MIG wire, so I made a trip to town and got some new wire. So we should be good for quite some time now. 10-pound spool. But got a lot done today. Pretty much overheated this welder about 5 or 6 times doing this. We did throw a couple extra bolts into the bumper. Oh, not a whole heck of a lot. There's not really that much left to do to it. I think we're gonna make it. We got 1 day left, and just gotta seatbelt the bumper to the rad support. I just gotta put some water into it. Gotta do my other GoPro mount. There's a couple other small things, nothing too big. I gotta pack tools, strut, GoPro, water. Yeah, there's pretty much nothing left to do with this car. I got the front doors and rear doors seat belted shut, so they're not going to come open. But the car's pretty much done. I'm super excited. I even got my door padding in there, so I ain't going to break my leg this year. It didn't break it last year, but today's been a long night. It's about 10 o'clock, about 9:45, 10 o'clock. Sun's just starting to go down out there. And I'm gonna call it a night. I gotta go to work tomorrow, and I gotta go have a shower, and I gotta get some dinner. But bumper's on. Car's looking better and better every day, and I think we're gonna make it. I think we just might make it. So another thing I gotta do is I gotta change out this top motor mount. Just make the car a little bit more stiffer. These factory motor mounts really ain't good for that much. But she's coming along. Gonna check the front tires for air pressure. They are looking a little low, but I think they're fine. Rear tire's a little low. But no, so all that we got left to do is really paint it and stuff like that. So thanks everybody for watching. I'm sorry I'm so tired. I'm just running myself ragged trying to get this thing going. But you guys want to hear it run again? I want to hear it run. Computer, alternator, fuel pump, starter. Oh yeah! She's running. So it's been a rough go, but she's getting there. She is getting there. So hopefully we'll see you guys back here shortly at the Derby. The Fancy Camry is coming along. I think that name kind of suits this thing. The Fancy Camry. So thanks for watching, guys. And sorry I didn't do a time lapse while doing the bumper. I've actually had a couple comments, people telling me they hate time lapses. So I'm going to try to do one without a time lapse, see if I get a comment on it. But I seem to like the time lapses. What do you guys think? Time lapses, yes, yay, or nay? Thanks, guys. See you back here tomorrow. Busted!
Busted!